The Minister for Education and Training, Dr. Phineas Magagula, says the Siswati Language Board has been gazetted. Now, the Minister was speaking during his visit to the National Curriculum Centre, where the board will be housed. We have a detailed report.
Following the official appointment of the board by the Prime Minister, Dr. Sibusiso Dlamini, a few months ago, the board has already resumed its duties, which is ensuring that the Siswati language improves in the country. The Minister for Education, Dr. Phineas Magagula, during his visit, says the Siswati Language Board has been gazetted.
Our main aim of coming here is to meet the Siswati Board in the premises of the NCC, where the Siswati Board will be housed. In other words, we have got some offices here where they will be conducting all their businesses. That's why we are here today. The government decided to establish the board in order to address all the problems that we are facing within the Siswati Board. The task on their shoulder is very wide. They will be looking in the orthography of the language. They'll be looking at the lexicon of the language. They'll be looking at all the aspects of a language. In other words, they'll engage on what we call the linguistics of the language, so that all the problems that we are facing the Swati language are sorted out. That's why we have this board. I wouldn't say that the board was working randomly, but I would say that coming up with the gazette, it's a process, cannot be done overnight, because you have got to follow all the aspects of the law. So now the board has been gazetted, it's now in place legally.
The chairperson of the Siswati Language Board, Sibusiso Mkonda, says since the Siswati Language Board has been gazetted, the board will now work tirelessly in ensuring that all the necessary processes are undertaken.
As regards the gazette, we are again very much delighted that it is now out, so working officially recognized now. And indeed, our work has already started, and we will continue now with more vigor to address a lot of the issues that are before us, including ensuring that Siswati is learned and that Siswati is used both inside the education institutions and outside. And we will be doing that, of course, we'll be doing it in partnership with members of the public, with teachers, head teachers, and all that have concern.
Mkonda then urged all teachers, including preschool teachers, to make sure that the language is taught in all schools in the country. Reporting for Swazi TV News, I'm Siswati Language with Mbonga Dube in Manzini.